Well, biggest factor really is having a big import. There's really no local who can match up with him physically. Uh, Even Dion Thompson had a hard time just minimizing his touches and making him less efficient around the basket. But I think that's the key. Yun ang susi talaga para talunin mo yung San Miguel. Kailangan mahirapan si Junmar. So, Dion just did that and he got into foul trouble because of it. But the rest of our other big guys, Bo, Keith, uh, they tried to do their share, no, in trying to limit Junmar's touches. I think that's the key. Our defense was the key. 87 points lang sila for a really strong offensive team like San Miguel to limit them to, tama ba yung 87 points? 93 points. It's really it's really the effort that we put out on defense. Kung walang malaking import, hindi kakayanin talaga. Hindi kaya ni Bo, hindi kaya ni Keith. Kailangan may scheme ka. Pag nag-scheme ka naman, na-open naman yung mga teammates niya. But sabi ko nga, it's still problematic, but it's a little less problematic if you have somebody who can match up with him.
Coach, last conference rin, sweep kayo San Miguel Beermen. But today, we're successfully able to emerge victorious. Ano sa tingin niyo, Coach, ang nangyari for you to be able to muster a 37-point fourth quarter output versus SMP's 21 points?
Yun nga, pinaalala mo pa sa akin, masakit maalala yung na-sweep kami, pero kahit paano, nakabawi kami ngayon. Gusto na namin sanang kalimutan yun eh, pero pinaalala mo pa. Salamat. Pero motivation sa amin yun eh. Motivation sa amin yun. Gusto namin makabalik kahit paano. And yung 37-point fourth quarter is really the pace that we play. Medyo I keep pushing the boys. Our only chance against San Miguel is to play fast. Pagka nakipag half-court game ka sa kanila, wala kang chance manalo. The only chance for us to win is to play at a pace where they may not be comfortable. So, yun lang. Total, yun naman ang normal pace din namin. Gusto rin namin na mabilis ang takbo ng laro. And I think that works for us. That's the reason we got the 37 points sa fourth quarter.
Thank you, Coach Yen. Now, Adrian. Kanina na po ito sa nangyari for the most part of the game. Pero lumayo kayo in the fourth quarter. Would inspire you to take charge, make sure na hindi na makakaroon ng comeback sa Miguel?
Wala namang kaming ibang ginawa. Hindi yung lang, yung discipline na sinasabi ni Coach. Yun yung advantage namin, yung transition namin. So yun, kaya lang mga maganda yung depensa namin.
Alright, thank you, Adrian. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Coach, there was a stretch, I think, in the third na Filipino kayo that you were able to still keep the game close. How crucial was that? Ang tingin mo nangyaring maganda as outside of defense?
Tama ka, no? Good sign sa amin yun. We were able to hold our own kahit all Filipino kami. Na-fall trouble si Dion eh. So, kailangan talaga magtiis kami ng mga ilang minuto na nakapahinga siya para hindi siya ma-expose pa dun sa more fouls. Pero nakita ko yung effort ng mga bata. Nakita mo rin na gusto nila talagang manalo. Nandun yung kahit nung panalo namin sa Eastern, you can see the desire. Mararamdaman mo na gusto nilang manalo talaga. So I'm really happy with our effort. Nakadalawang malalaking isda kami, no? Yung Eastern at saka yung SMB. We're hoping to close our December bago sana magpasko, manalo pa kami para masaya yung Pasko. So, meron talaga kaming meron talaga kaming hinahabol na number of wins bago magpasko. Baka madagdagan yung pamasko sa amin kung maganda-ganda yung record namin. Pero bahala na si boss dyan, di ba? Kaya lang, malalakas pa rin yung mga kalaban namin eh. I think next game namin is Magnolia. So, kailangan paghandaan mo pa rin talaga.
Direct question lang for you. Ano yung paano yung thought process mo kasi sa Miguel sobrang loaded ng mga goal dyan. So parang may Christmas ka, merong Jericho, merong Wami, merong CJ. Kumbaga, alam na palit yung high level na goal sila na matao sa'yo. Pero you're holding to your own. So ano naman sabi mo doon?
Yung sa akin kasi, ang mindset ko palagi, umpisa ko muna sa sa depensa. So kahit sino naman yung nasa harap ko, basta yung depensa ng game. So yun, kahit pa paano, maganda naman yung game na labas.
Sana naman wala kang siguro yung next game is Magnolia. Just describe lang din them although starting sila.
Oh, may rivalry na rin kami, may history kami, no. Nakalaban namin sila sa quarter finals, no. Hirap na hirap kami kung talunin kami ng Magnolia, tambakan eh. Pero kung manalo kami sa kanila, konti lang. So parang kabisado rin nila yung laro namin. Kaya rin nilang maglaro ng mabilis. No, meron silang mga veterano na dependable. So mabigat na laban yung Magnolia. Tapos yung import nila, tingin ko slow starter lang yung si Ratcliffe. Hindi siya yung heavy scorer, pero maasahan mo na malaking impact niya sa laro kahit hindi siya masyado may score. Ang maganda naman, kabisado rin siya ni Dion. Dahil magkakampiyan sa sa Korea. Nag-champion sila yung magkakampi. Nag-champion sila sa Korea, sila yung magkakampi. So, I think medyo magandang matchup yun. Very interesting yung matchup na yun.
Coach, update lang sa mga injured players mo kay Gian, kay Luis.
Si Gian na fracture yung kamay niya sa tune-up game. So, inoperahan na mga 2 to 3 months pa yun bago makabalik. Kasi fractured. Si Luis naman, nakapaglaro na siya last conference pero nag-problematic pa rin yung injury niya dahil hindi siya todo ng 100%, no? Parang bumabalik pa rin yung pain. So the suggestion of the doctor was to reconstruct, no? Parang may ulit siya, may surgery ulit siya. So titignan kung paano mapapabuti pa for the long term. Kasi ang nangyayari, makakalaro siya tapos hindi na naman makakalaro. So parang for the long term, that's not the best option. Kaya nag-decide na kami na we will invest in time. No? Magtsatsaga kami kasi nakikita namin may potential talaga si Luis. So tsaga na naman, hintay na naman pa after ng reconstruction nung tuhod niya.
So out siya for the rest of the season?
Yes.
Si Mamu for the rest of the season?
Si Mamu, baka makahabol. Sinusubukan namin ihabol kung aabot kami ng semis, playoffs, baka makahabol siya. No? Sana maka-playoffs kami para maihabol din namin siya. Lalo na kung finals, gagamitin talaga namin yun kahit naka-custom.
Thank you, boys.
Sige.